There comes a moment every salesperson fears. We've done everything we can to avoid it. Sometimes we even rush the process to prevent it, but we can't always get around customer objections. We've done everything right, and now it's time to forecast that it's time to make a decision.
So what do you think? You want to get this thing installed?
That's when we begin to hear objections.
I have to call my wife about this.
This is the first place I've gone, so I'm gonna have to go check around.
I'm not sure I believe the 2,000-pound payload. Can you prove it?
You guys really want to charge me how much to install this? That's crazy.
Man, I saw this thing online and now seeing it here, this thing looks really, really cool. I just don't know, for $1,400, I'm just not sure I'm ready to pull the trigger today.
Just a moment ago, this customer was excited about this purchase and looking forward to this new accessory for their truck. What happened? When the moment of truth came for a purchase, it just brought up some fear. What could they be afraid of? They may be afraid that they'll regret the purchase. They may be afraid that the product won't do what the salesperson said it would do. They may regret that they won't use it in the way that they believe that they will, or as much as they would. They may find out that they could buy it cheaper elsewhere and regret that purchase. That fear is going to cause the customer to have all sorts of excuses. Our response is critical. The goal is for us to continue to build trust, be empathetic, and offer reassurance. Today's shopper may take as many as 4 visits before making a buying decision. So it's important for us to do 2 things. Gently reassure this customer and handle any objections in order to get a purchase today if possible. And secondly, keep the situation as comfortable as possible so the customer can leave and come back if that's their choice. I've seen some salespeople make some bad decisions when faced with an objection.
So you ready to go in and get this thing installed today?
You know, I love it. I just gotta sleep on it for a night.
What, are you going home to My Pillow? Double checking My Pillow. Is it the right system? Hey, listen. Don't normally do this, but I only need to sell 9 more units to hit my quota. I could really use this. I don't like to get personal, but my baby needs some shoes. This is gonna help make that happen. 1 deck system equals 1 set of Nikes. So you're telling me this fits all your needs, and you're not buying today?
Instead, follow these simple steps to reassure the customer and maintain the possibility of a sale. First, restate the objection. This confirms that you heard what the customer said.
You know, I really appreciate you showing it to me. I think it looks awesome. I always sleep for a night before I make a purchase this big, so I'll let you know tomorrow.
Okay, so you need to sleep on it.
Second, validate the objection. This confirms that you agree with them.
Yeah, I do want to sleep on it for a night.
Hey, I totally get it. When I'm making a big decision, big purchase, something a little new, I take my time too.
Third, review what has happened. This reminds the customer that you have been listening, and here's your chance to find out what the real objection is.
Okay, so before you leave, just want to make sure I did my job and all your questions are answered. You know, you came in, you were looking for something for work, something for play, you're disorganized, we need to, get you organized, something that's weatherproof, lockable, all those things. So, just want to make sure that you don't have any other questions on the unit or any other concerns.
No, I mean, yeah, I think it's great.
And fourth, offer any new information that might be needed.
So just a few things to consider when you go home and sleep on it. We can get the system next day. We do professional install. We've been doing this for 20 years. We know the system's gonna work for you. We wanna make sure that it's installed correctly, you're satisfied with it, and then we're gonna take care of you well beyond the sale.
When we put it all together, it looks like this.
So do you wanna go ahead and get this thing installed today?
You know, I love it. It's a big purchase. I gotta go home and sleep on it for a night.
Okay, so you wanna take a little time and sleep on it.
Yeah.
Hey, I hear you. When I'm making a big purchase, especially if it's something new, it takes me a little time to just make sure it's what I want. But hey, before you walk out the door, I just wanted to make sure I did a good job. We cover all of our bases. So you're looking for something that was, help you stay organized for work, help you stay organized for play. It's weatherproof, lockable, convenient, all those things. So you feel like it is something it could work for you.
Yeah, I mean, Listen, I think the system is fantastic.
Okay, well, hey, just one more thing before you go. We can get these things next day, so when you're ready, just let me know. And then we offer professional installation. We've been doing this for 20 years. Not only will we get it installed right, but we're gonna take care of you after the sale if you have any questions or anything down the road. So it's one of the reasons to do business with us.
Doing this is the appropriate response to a customer's nervousness. It is empathetic, professional, and maintains the possibility of a long-term relationship with this customer.